What's up, y'all? We're going to be unboxing the HudongCube. This is the flagship edition. Pretty nice box. I like the shininess of it. So let's open it right now. Be careful with knives. Box is a little damaged, but that's alright. I'm gonna open it this way. Alright, we got the cube hard case, and the accessories box. Let's check out the accessories box first. Okay. We get a screwdriver and a blank white center cap. A nice felt cube bag, which is very nice. I actually really like this. And then we got the manuals. Looks like CFOP manuals, so pretty standard. And then instructions on the cube. Yep. Alright. Let's put this to the side. The box reminds me of a Tornado V3. Very similar box design. Very shiny too. Very nice cube. It also has magnets too right here. Alright. This is the flagship edition, so I do think it's UV coated. Well, I don't know if it's UV coated, but it does have a very shiny finish to it. I don't see any scratches on the sides. Very nice. Kind of loose. Yeah, kind of loose. Alright, let's do some first turns. Definitely dry, has no lube. Feels very similar to a Tornado. The magnets are pretty strong. Definitely a subtle, or a very noticeable click. The shades, pretty standard. The white does seem a little dull. But overall feels pretty nice. Let's check the corner cutting. Very easy. Reverse corner cutting. Very easy. Almost. Just very good for a cube. Let's check the internals. So we have a green adjustment piece with a screw. Very nice. Alright, let's check the edge and corner piece. So the corner piece has the corner feet has 4 magnets, one for the core to core, or corner to core, and then one for the, I don't even know what this is called, but edge to feet of the corner, which is pretty nice. And then it also has, the edge also has a repelling core to edge magnet. The magnets are not adjustable, but it does feel pretty, does have a good strength to it. Alright, let's put it back together. I do like how the center piece is almost like round. It's actually very round, but the base of it is still square. Interesting to see a new design. Let's do so. Got the trusty timer here. Let's just do a hand scramble. It's very fast, actually. A little too uncontrollable right now, but I think after setup it will be a much better cube. Let's do yellow cross. Messed up on one of the pairs, but it's alright. Yeah, it's kind of too uncontrollable right now and a little too fast, but I'll give it some setup and test it out more. Thank you for watching.